kid. He couldn't move that loud. It must be an animal of some kind. See? It sounds like a whistle almost. It's real high pitched. How close that is? It's right here. What is that?
I wonder if it's trying to hear a dog.
There's no dogs out like that. That's not like a... what that is.